Showing up is for everyone, whether you are in the private sector or government. A comment by Jonathan Burak, he said that yung showing up not really applicable pagka sa government. Jonathan, I hear you. Minsan kasi mahirap pagka binibigay yung best mo, you are showing up even when it's hard, even if you don't feel like doing it, yung trabaho mo, parang feeling mo hindi ka nare-reward. And I'm sorry no na baka ganun yung experience mo. Pero for me, showing up is for everyone. May kapasidad lahat na mag-show up if they're willing to do it. Yun nga lang, baka yung benefits of showing up in your context sa government kung saan ka nag-work, hindi mo ramdam, or baka yung chance mo for promotion hindi ganun katulad sa private. Pero I still encourage you and to everyone kahit nasa government is to give your best, be faithful with what's entrusted to you. Kasi nga, ikaw yung mag-grow, yung experience mo mag-grow. So when the time comes, if you will have a change of season na hindi ka na dyan sa government na work, maybe sa corporation that would really appreciate you and commensurate you for the value that you can give to their organization, dala-dala mo pa rin yun. Kaya for me, it's always good to always show up.